Hello creative mind, welcome home. I am Survival and today I'll be showing you how to make a collage using Inshot. In the previous class I showed you how you can edit your pictures on Inshot. So today I'll be showing you how you can make photo collage using the Inshot. So let's head into the application. This is Inshot. So when you open the application, you just go straight to collage, which is this. So as you open it, it will open up your gallery and then you choose a picture you want to use. So actually this is the gallery, but if the picture you want to use for collage is in a very far place, maybe it's been long you took it, you can use this album option. This is the album option. You can use it to open up your album. So now I think the picture I want to use is just close by, so I don't need the album option. So I'll just pick this and also pick, let me just go for 3. Okay, I'm not a type that take pictures. Okay, so let me pick this also and then pick this. Which one? Let me pick this. Should I? Okay, let me pick this. So from the gallery I've picked 3 pictures. So this is the layout. You can make it this way. You can choose to make it this way, or this way. You get. But I think I'm very much comfortable with this. Okay, but I think I need to change something. Let me go back to gallery and change something, because this one is a bit. Okay, let me change this. Let me change this to this. Okay, so now I'll go back to my layouts and I'll take this. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. I'll take this. So this is the much you can do with it. This is how you create a collage. You can take as much as 6 pictures, 9 pictures, and then make collage of it. So now there are other things you can do here. Maybe you want to move this picture, this lower one to this upper one. You can just click on the picture like this. It will give you option. This swap automatically, when you use this swap, you'll be able to swap pictures. Let me use it swap. Any place I touch it now, this picture with this big helmet will automatically go there. Let me touch this one. You see it has just swapped. So this one, let me touch it again. The flip will just flip your picture around. I hope you can see it. That's what flip does. This is what rotate does. It rotates it by, I think, 90 degrees. Then crop will a kind of crop the picture. I believe you know what crop does. So that is it. That is the one. You can as well delete it to make it just 2. So now again you can as well increase the picture. So I want to increase this one. To increase it, I'm using my 2 fingers on the screen. As I place my 2 fingers on the screen, I draw it. So with that, I'm increasing it. Okay. And to position it, you just hold on the picture and draw it down a little bit. With that, you position it. So that is it. You can as well change the border of the picture. So let's go to the border. This is the border. You see, you can make it closer. You can keep it this way. That's the border. This is this. This is what it does. One thing I love using for my collage is this arc. I don't like when my picture is having a very sharp end. That's me. Personally, I don't like it. So that's why I use more of arc. It bends the ends and make it to look smooth. When you take it to the extreme, it gives you circle, but I don't like that circle. I just want it to be like this with a smooth smooth corners. So this is how you go about your collage. I think I love what I'm having here. So you can just click on this. You can click on this and then you are done. So that's it. Just click on it. So in the previous class, I already showed you how you can edit your photos. The way it is here, you can further edit it. But I've already done that and will not be talking about editing it again because I believe you already know how to edit pictures. So that is how you make photo collage. So when you are done, you click on this save at the top right of the screen and it automatically saves your picture. So for your assignment, try to do a photo collage of your pictures. I think that will do for your assignment. So thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.